Creating manufacturing information has always been a process that would involve multiple steps to actually create all the necessary files. Every stage of this manual process makes the user quite prone to error if the setup is not done correctly. With the implementation of the CAM icon, everything is accomplished with a single click. All Gerber files and drill files will be generated and zipped up, ready to be emailed or uploaded to the manufacturer of choice. Hi, my name is Edwin Robledo. I'm from Autodesk EAGLE with today's tip. You will notice that now we have this brand new icon within the board editor. When we highlight it, it comes up as Generate CAM Data. I'll go ahead and click on this one. If you notice, this new icon, this new dialog box has showed up, letting us know exactly what files are going to be created. It's going to create the drill file as well as all my Gerber files. And it's also letting me know what template it's actually going to use. The template of use is going to be called template 2 layers. Now you might ask how it knows it's only 2 layers. It actually acknowledges your DRC layer setup. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now it's going to prompt me to which folder I want to save my data. By default, it's always going to prefer to go to the exact same folder where your project is located, and then we'll zip it up here. I'll click Save. I already had one created earlier, so I'm going to tell it to replace. All the files have been created and zipped up. It opens up that folder automatically. That way it's easy for you to locate. Let's try this out one more time with a board with more layers enabled. This feature is a one-button solution to generate the files for manufacturing. Click on the Generate CAM. If you notice, it loaded the 4-layer CAM. Let's take a look to see if that's correct. If I click on Tools and you go to DRC and you go to your layer setup, you'll see that you actually do have a 4-layer setup. And click OK. It's prompting me what folder I want to do it in. I'll tell it that I want to keep it in the same folder wherever my board is located, and click on Save. With this new icon, Eagle will automatically detect all your layers, as you already could see, and load the appropriate template and create your Gerber and drill files. This is a one-click CAM generation button. It is perfect for you to build your standard board stack up, such as 2, 4, 6, and layer boards. As you can see, my files have been created and zipped up, and it was stored in the folder that I had specified. If you have a design that has a non-standard stackup, or are implementing advanced design objects such as blind or buried vias, you need to use the new CAM processor, in which we'll discuss on another video. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.